stereotype typical. Your expectation was visible, make money residual pain be physically. We'll resurrect the earth from birth to switch the dead, spread like it was sound and spread. 75% of MCs in the millennium get offended when Jack steps up and put the venom up in them. The venom is a form of boom bap penicillin up in them, a BT track line with critical enemy. When we roll with the disc format to upload, in your ears and rhymes a kick format to erode. We roll on the whole stone foundation plus the planet with more control than the circle starts to form. B-boys and B-girls start to swarm, especially from beginning of the night to more, cause they like the song the hype is on. Come on!
King, how many rides you got, Dirty? Well, I got a Caprice on 24s. I got a Range Rover with spinners. I got an Impala with beat. Let's go. I do ride Bentleys and cruise, but I don't give away all my loot. Trick over Senate, I won't. Ride less than 20 inches, I don't. But I do. Know this might be a single when I walk my chains long, so they might jingle if she give me low. Ain't a hater nowhere in my crew. So famous that I can't go nowhere in the loop. You name it, the mall, the gas station. Them people be waiting to see me hopping something, hating on them dudes too skating. Running it like Walter Payton and tell you I'm so blatant. The paper I'm saving, my bank account is amazing. I'm rating myself for 20. I'm taking myself for 20. I'm doing this show for 20. Then holla at it in 20. About money I got to make. Stack up a couple $100 million, then take my ass to break down. I do ride Bentleys and cruise, but I don't give away all my loot. Trick over Senate, I won't. Ride less than 20 inches.
So clean, can she put that question been harassing me in the mind? This bitch is fine. I done came to the club about 11 times now. Can I play with your panty line? The club wanna say I need to calm down. Security guards gonna swing me now. Think I'm drunk, then I'm up, I'ma threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she working. And then I like to see them females twerking. Taking the clothes off, bucking naked. And she get a hold on disrespect it. I pop your pussy like this, cause you ain't friends in this VIS. Lil' John and the East Side boys with me, and we all like to see ass and titties. Now bring your ass over here, ho, and let me see you get low. If you want this stuff, now take it to the floor. Now if your ass wanna act, then you can keep your ass where you at.
3, 6, 9, damn, hey, sing it to me one more time and go. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. me on the interstate, doing donuts, whoa, smashing the gas, rolling through the city.
In this world that's getting cheaper, I wanna ride on a white horse. I want to ride on a white horse. I like dancing at the disco. I want blessings, you my leader. I wanna ride on a